Alright guys, I'm going to make a quick video about the Mean Arms mag. This converts a regular Magpul Gen 2 or Gen 3 mag here into a 9mm mag for a AR. So you can just slap a AR9 upper on a regular 5.56 lower. Now these little tabs right here, you break things off. So this is 10 round capacity right now. If I broke this off, it'd be 15 round, 20 round, 30 round capacity. So if you live in a communist state, so I just slide that in there like that, pop it up through, take my base plate, bam, just like that. Now I have 9mm mag with a built-in feed ramp there, ejector, last round bolt hold open. So this should be pretty neat. So go out, test it this weekend, see how it works.